Should I open up the ceiling due to this mold-like substance? Visited my mother's house and saw this pretty uniform spread of substance on the ceiling. Before I go start ripping it out, I wanted to see if anyone has experienced something similar. This is an office underneath a second-floor bathroom, so my thought is there's water somewhere, but it's so uniform it's making me question that. Thoughts? Question from user Hydrologic at Stack Exchange. Answer: no, don't rip out the drywall. These look like the typical mold that grows in areas of high humidity. Just wipe it with a rag that has some diluted bleach. When painting over it, use a mildew-resistant paint. If they reappear, try a dehumidifier. Answer from user Cheery at Stack Exchange.